Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Logitech G HUB stuck on loading screen. Let's fix it guys. Open up Chrome and search Geek Uninstaller. Select the first site. Select the zip and download it. After getting download, click on open it. Double click on the Geek application. Select yes. Now in search, you just need to type Logitech G HUB. Just right click and select uninstall option. Save my current settings, uncheck it and select uninstall option. Select the quit option. This will scan for leftover files and folders and registry items. Now just close stuff here and go to search menu and type Logitech G HUB. Press enter, select the first site, select the download for Windows option and it will start downloading. After getting download and install it, after the installation done, your problem should be fixed guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.